You're driving a vehicle that is well past its warranty period when you start hearing it, a subtle metallic grinding noise that clearly doesn't belong. You pull into a professional workshop to find out what is wrong. This chart compares the 3 different diagnostic estimates the owner received. The first technician quoted $900 to replace the differential. The second asked for $1,100 to fix the engine. A third expert confidently demanded $800 for a new transmission. A fourth technician approaches the problem differently. By tracing the noise to its physical source, he finds that the engine, transmission, and differential are all perfectly fine. As you can see dropping into the chart, the repair actually costs $25, the price of a single worn bearing inside the cooling fan. This gap between a $25 fix and an $1,100 mistake defines the information gap. Modern vehicles have become so complex that the average driver lacks the specialized knowledge required to verify what a mechanic tells them. In this knowledge vacuum, consumers cannot distinguish between an honest error, accurate advice, and blind guesswork. Their wallets are left entirely unprotected. We see this play out in different ways, like the common battery warning light. In one case, a simple warning resulted in a $1,200 quote at a dealership. The service advisor justified the price by citing the vehicle's advanced systems, claiming that special programming was mandatory and that only the dealership could perform the work correctly. They also leveraged the warranty myth, suggesting that using independent parts or shops would instantly void the vehicle's factory protection, a powerful psychological tool used to force compliance. Instead of accepting the quote, the owner researched the battery specifications, contacted independent distributors, and sourced an alternative that actually carried a stronger warranty. The total cost for the installation was $240. The vehicle started normally, everything functioned perfectly, and no programming issues or warning lights ever appeared. The $960 markup served as a premium paid for a lack of information, a cost incurred because the consumer initially lacked the tools to verify the dealership's technical claims. This raises an important question. If most mechanics are honest, how do 3 separate professionals confidently misdiagnose the same vehicle? The answer often lies in a cognitive bias called diagnostic tunnel vision. Rather than testing the specific problem in front of them, technicians often rely on generalized past experiences to fill in the blanks. This bias bypasses the logical path. Instead of step-by-step diagnostics, technicians draw a straight line to replacement, skipping physical verification. This drives an industry-wide trend, replacing entire massive assemblies. It's faster to swap a $1,000 transmission than identify the $25 component hidden inside. The fourth mechanic avoided this trap. By systematically tracing the sound to its physical origin without making assumptions, he proved that the loudest diagnosis isn't always the correct one. These massive cost disparities show that a lazy diagnosis is ultimately far more expensive than the mechanical failure itself. As modern cars evolve into rolling computers, the information gap facing everyday vehicle owners will only continue to widen. Financial protection now requires a shift in behavior. You cannot rely solely on a technician's integrity. You have to change how you interact with the repair process. Your first defense is documentation. Always demand a comprehensive written diagnostic report before authorizing any work. Second, force the technician to explain exactly why a component failed. Refuse to accept "it just broke" as a sufficient explanation for an expensive repair. Third, never approve major assembly repairs or expensive software programming under pressure. Step away and secure a second independent opinion. Finally, use the tools available. Verify part numbers, research alternative suppliers, and confirm actual warranty requirements online. True financial leverage comes from documentation and asking precise questions. You don't need to know how to fix the engine yourself to prevent being overcharged for it. In modern automotive repair, the most valuable diagnostic tool isn't under the hood. It's an informed consumer who refuses to make decisions based on fear.